you got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support. All right, guys. It is 12 a.m. and we started earlier. Kind of a little family deal where everybody's out here working on it. So, of course, y'all know I got this vehicle. We've been trying to find out the smell in the vehicle. You know, we didn't know they had pets or animals or whatever the deal was. But we couldn't find the smell, so we said, well, we'll just take the whole car. Well, we tried to shampoo it in the car, but I was like, that ain't good enough. So, what we did was started taking everything out. You know, and I got bored, man. And I just said, well, I'm just gonna get up and I'm gonna go out there and fool with it. And I came out here and took the seats out, man. Y'all can see how nasty this vehicle is. I don't even know what that is right there up under the seat or whatnot. But it's just a mess in this vehicle. This has to be like the nastiest vehicle I've ever seen. I don't know what they were doing in it or whatever it was. It had a bunch of change in. Of course, you just a bunch of crap. I don't know what it is. But we're going to finish taking this carpet out. You know, if I had a, I don't know. If this had been mine, I'd probably been shading the show. I wouldn't let mine get this bad. But like I say, this was like this when we got it. It's been sitting here for the longest. So, first, one thing was wrong with it was the dash cluster had broken. It went out. You know, you couldn't get your speedometer. You couldn't get the gas and nothing like that. So I ended up getting it rebuilt. I needed a battery because the battery kept going out. So I had to end up getting the battery. And the one thing it kept on doing, like when I would drive it, it would give me problems when it rained. Like it wouldn't run right. So I ended up figuring that out. It was like unplugged at the O2 sensor up under the truck. So I figured that out one day. It was raining. It needed some tires on it. So of course y'all know, as y'all seen in the pictures, that it had those. We had to get those 16s off of that because we could never really find tires for them. So we end up getting some rims like that, you know, from Uncle whatnot. He had some old ones he had sitting around. We made a deal and got those, so we put those on here, so everything is working. But I just couldn't do the smell anymore. So I said, you know what, I'm gonna take the carpet out. We went and bought us a shop vac and trying to figure out what the deal is. But as y'all can see right there, well, just me tonight. Everybody else started out early working with it, but I ended up taking the seats out. I got the back seats unbolted. I had another video where I took the back seats out and took all the carpet out the back because it's a two-part carpet. I ended up taking that out. And like I said, all the seats are out, all the everything that you need. It's a bunch of old stuff you gotta undo. All these bolts here, the bolts there, you gotta undo the harness right here, then to undo the console. I was thinking I had to undo the bolts off in the inside, the screws off in the inside of the armrest, when you have to undo it's two 10mm bolts up front right here. And that's what holds it to this. Y'all might not can see it because those two right there, that's what it bolts to. So if you ever want to undo your center console, you got to unbolt it there. But first you got to undo your seats because it sits down like off in here somewhere. Y'all see how messy that is? That's a mess. That's a shame right there. Like I said, this truck been sitting like a year or so, a little more really. And so, you know, really just getting around to getting it done. So y'all know this video will be continued. I gotta finish loading up the rest of my I'm gonna leave out my tools in here till tomorrow. But everything else, I gotta go on in the house with it. I'm gonna call it a night. I'm gonna go ahead and put this video out tonight. You might see it tonight, you know, if you're up, you know, sure, y'all see it, and I know y'all support the channel, you know, so I'm gonna get ready to wrap this thing up. Let me go around the other side right fast, let y'all get a view of this mess right here, boy. But we're gonna get it knocked out, we're gonna get it clean, and while I got it all out, I might just, I don't know, man, I might just, put me a little sound deaden in the bottom, I don't know. I'll go around here. It's dark. I'm out here trying to get it in, man. All right, y'all can see right there. All my tools down on the floor. Y'all see. Look at that mess. Be sure to like and subscribe. Be sure to hit the notification bell down there. Be sure to use the links down below too, guys. Be sure to use my links down there. Support the channel. Let me see. Make sure I got this. Make sure. Hold on, wait a minute. All right, there we go. Hey, y'all, be sure to support the channel, man. And we're gonna bring some more content. We're gonna keep it going. We'll see y'all back on the next one.
Right, equipment ain't gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.